Welcome back, another episode of Under 2 Minutes, and now we are going to go over manipulating objects that you've drawn with the pen tool. There are multiple ways to do this. You can either use the tools nested underneath that pen tool, along with the selection tool, or just the selection tool. So over here, you have add anchor point and delete anchor point. Now I showed you can delete anchor points with the pen tool selected by just going to that anchor point when you're drawing the object and clicking delete before the path is closed. But if you want to delete or add once it's already drawn, you use these two tools. So let's add an anchor point in the middle here. And now if we wanted to manipulate that anchor point, we would go to the direct selection tool, click only that anchor point and move it around as we saw fit. Now, over in your Properties tab, you have two options. You can make an anchor point smooth or pointed. Right now, this is already a corner anchor point. As you can see, it's pointed into a corner, but I can convert that to smooth with the click of a button. Now this anchor point has become rounded, and I can adjust the curve with the handles as if I had drawn the path by clicking down, holding, and dragging while I was using the pen tool. So you can make any corner point a smooth point, manipulate that object around as you see fit. So very nice here. The direct selection tool along with add and deleting anchor points lets you really customize your shape and get it exactly how you want. And don't forget, once you have that path selected here, you have options in that property tab. So very easy to manipulate those objects around once you've drawn them already. Just use that direct selection tool.